Hello, I would like to introduce you to the Max BPOP CPM 200 cutting and printing machine. For those of you familiar with the Max BPOP series, you may already know about our CPM 100 machine. That machine is 4 inches wide or 100 millimeters. This machine is the next class above that, and it is 8 inches wide or 200 millimeters. The machine itself mixes two technologies. First, it has the thermal transfer printing technology combined with a cut plotting system. When put together in one machine, it means that this machine is capable of printing any design freely and then cutting that design into any shape or size that you may need. As you can see, the machine itself is quite compact and can be stored on a desk or in a space at most on-site locations. The ability to make labels and signs of many different sizes and content on-site has saved our customers time, money, and improved their industrial processes. The ability to make such a wide variety of designs and shapes with this one machine means that it's capable of performing in various different applications across various different industries. I'd like to take a moment to introduce some applications in the manufacturing industry. A very common use for this machine is your industrial safety signage. But on top of that, it can handle a large variety of other applications, such as pipe marking, barcoding, rack labeling, OSHA and ANSI safety signage, as well as product labeling. For all of the applications I just mentioned, there are templates available in the BPOP PCEX software. The BPOP PCEX software has over 1,400 templates and symbols available, which means it's quite easy to design and make the signs you need when you need them. Also, as a new feature of the CPM 200, you're able to print in full color CMYK photos. The ability to print in full color using thermal printing has never before been achieved at this width. Also, the ability to cut your sign to any shape that you may need has proven a convenience for all of our customers. That's it for my explanation on some of the features of the machine and the software. And now I'd like to talk a little bit more about the various types of ribbons and sheets available for use with this product. Okay, now I'm going to explain how easy it is to load the tape roll and ribbon cassette into your CPM 200 cutting and printing machine. First, lift up the lid and pull up on the loading bars. Feed the tape roll into the loading bars and make sure that the tip of the tape roll comes below this blue bar in the back of the printer. Also, be careful to make sure that the holes on the tape roll align with the sprockets on the printer. Finally, check to make sure that there are 4 silver bars over the top of the tape roll and 1 black bar across the bottom. That's it for loading the tape roll. Now we're going to move on to the ribbon cassette. The ribbon cassette has a clip on the top, so it's quite easy to load. Insert the bottom of the cassette and make sure that the blue and orange gears are aligned with the blue and orange indents on the printer. Click the cassette into place and close the printer. Well, there you go. That's it. That's all you need to do to be ready to print with your CPM 200 printer. Okay, so now we're going to print out one of our Danger ANSI templates. The ANSI and OSHA templates are available in bilingual Spanish and English files, so please take a look at them when you have a chance. Alright, let's get started on the colorful printing. As you can see, the printer has printed all of the black data in the label. Now we're going to exchange the ribbon and put in red. Now that the red sections have been printed, you can see that it's starting to look more and more like an anti-sign. All that's left to do is print the remaining yellow section, and we'll be good to go. So now that the printer has finished printing all of the data, it's entered into its cutting phase. So now the completed signage comes out of the machine and looks like this. The last step is to remove the unneeded vinyl from the edges. So there you go, it was that easy. You can make signs and labels on demand anytime at your facility with the CPM 200.